Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm consent, explain the scan to the client, and remove surface products so images reflect true scalp conditions. Once done, power the machine, attach the probe, and select magnification, 20x for overview, 50x for detail, because different scales reveal different issues. Position the probe about 1/4 inch from the scalp at the vertex to capture a baseline. Hold steady. A slight tilt changes lighting. Capture the first image and label it with date and location to track changes. You now proceed systematically. Map the standardized zones, vertex, frontal hairline, both temporals and occipital, so results are comparable over time. Once mapped, apply device filters like sebum, pigmentation, and blood flow to reveal different pathologies. This is why you don't rely on a single image. Make sure to capture both live and stored images for side-by-side comparison. While scanning, annotate follicle density per square centimeter, estimate miniaturization percentage, and note visible inflammation to inform diagnosis and treatment planning. You complete the session by exporting a labeled report with images, measurements, and clear recommendations plus a follow-up timeline. This is what lets you track progress. Once finished, sanitize the probe with an approved wipe and record a quick calibration check to maintain accuracy. If images come out blurry, clean the lens first, then adjust magnification and lighting. Stabilize the probe or use a short rest to avoid motion. If problems persist, reboot the unit and repeat a control scan to isolate device issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.